Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy NVIDIA stock on Trade Republic. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Trade Republic website if you have not already by going to traderepublic.com right here, and from here we can get started. If you're using it on your mobile phone, you are going to go and just be able to open up the App Store and search for the Trade Republic application and install it. So once you've installed it, now we can get started and the process goes the same. Doesn't matter if you're on your PC or on your mobile phone. The first thing we need to do is go ahead and log in into our account. So if you do not already have an account, here you have the option to go ahead and create an account in the upper right corner, or to go ahead and log in if you already have one. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page. From here we can get started with taking a look at our portfolio. So if you do not see the option to search right here, what you can do is go to Trade Republic and search for NVIDIA. So go to Google and search for Trade Republic NVIDIA, and now guys, you can go ahead and take a look at NVIDIA trading halted at TR. So basically guys, NVIDIA is currently not available to buy on Trade Republic, but you can go ahead and build a portfolio with a minimum investment for other stocks, and if NVIDIA comes back to Trade Republic, you are going to go and be able to get into it. So basically there you have it. You can go ahead and get started with going to the website, wait for the stock to come back, go ahead and take a look at your portfolio and get started with investing. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.